morning, Washington PreK Cubs. That's a real good morning. Moms and dads are here today. Can you wave at moms and dads? All right, our letter master moms and dads are here today. Okay. I know, that's so exciting. Let's take a deep breath. Ready? Deep breath. Quietly stand so right.
A little bit louder. A little softer. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here.
Stay standing. Right hand on your heart. Over your heart. Facing our American flag. Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Great job facing our Oklahoma flag. Ready? Begin. I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people. Wonderful job keeping your right hand up as we say our Washington Creek. Let's say it proudly for our families. Ready? Put up your right hand. I am a Washington PreK Cub. I pledge to be kind and use the nicest words I can find. I am special and bright. I will work with all my might. There is no one else I'd rather be than me. Okay, taking one big deep breath. Ready? Hands to your side or in front of you. We're ready for a moment of silence. Now we're practicing a little extra silent time. Ready? Begin. Excellent job. You may have a seat. Mrs. Dyer, okay, so have a seat on this side. Okay. Hey, friends. Why don't you have your voice like that? Can you say good morning, Mrs. Dye? And Mrs. Dye is the HR director, so she's a very important person for Ponca City School. She's the leader of all the schools and all the principals and all the teachers, okay? But her favorite thing to do is come to Washington PreK Assembly because she was a PreK teacher for 20 years. Yes, so she loves PreK. We're glad you're here. This is her happy place, okay?
because now she works with grown-ups, and they're not always as happy as pre-Kers, okay? So, first thing we're going to do before we do letter masters, my friends, is we're going to do our 2 Poppleton questions. And I'm going to give you some think time, okay, before, because we didn't have our think time this morning. The last chapter of Poppleton was the sleigh ride. Give me a little thumbs up right here at your tummy if you read the sleigh ride. Okay, good. Here's your 2 questions to think. Ready? How did Poppleton feel about his friends being busy? Okay, you didn't need anything. I thought we were just going to think, but that's okay. Okay, good. Now think about this, but keep your answer in your head. What did Poppleton's friends bring to his party? Okay, fudge and cookies. Okay, all right. I have 4 friends that get to answer these questions up here. You should know the answers. Miss Miranda called Michael Vanoy. Are you back here? Come on up. This is different because normally we do this over the intercom. Michael and Zachary Walton, come on up. Jacob Pruitt, are you over here, Jacob? Come here, Jacob. And the last friend is Leah Short. Miss Leah, are you here? There you are. Okay. So these friends are going to get to answer the same question. See if you remember. How did Poppleton feel? Just these friends are going to answer. When his friends couldn't go on a sleigh ride. How did he feel? He was sad because none of his friends, now bonus question, what were his friends doing when they were, they couldn't go on the sleigh ride? They were making stuff. Good job. Okay, I'm going to have Miss Miranda help you pick out a prize. Okay? Here's 4 prizes, and you can pick one. Okay. Next up, oh, so sorry, is our letter masters. If you are a letter master today, it is your day. Look at your teacher, please. And they're going to make their way up to the stage.
Okay, my letter masters.
This is so fun.
Come on, my 4-letter
Parents today, we're going to try something so we don't get so congested. After the letter master celebration, we'll have you stay. And then I'll dismiss all the exams. Yours kids will stay. We can take pictures, okay? All right. Okay, hang on. Okay, we're going to start with Miss Van Kuren's letter masters.
Okay, we have Kinsley Van Skyver and Jasper Klein who know 14 or more upper and lowercase letters.
In Mrs. Chambers' class, we have Jamison Field, Maria Kale, Riley Good, and Alma Garcia, and they know at least 14 uppercase and lowercase letters.
We'll do a really big clap after everybody's gone.
In Miss Sanders' class, we have Emily Dahlman, we have Jamison Boyke, we have Helena Arias Cabrelas, and we have Berkeley Burley.
Right, in Miss Ellis's class, we have Kane Duke, Lady Papiak, Alan Cornell, and Emily Gunther, who all know 14 or more upper and lowercase letters.
In Mrs. Bridges' class, we have Levi Barnes, and he knows 14 upper and lowercase.
In Miss Pinna's class, we have Riker Maine, Sophia Rush, Erin Shepard, and Evie Bell, and they all know at least 14 upper and lowercase letters.
In Mrs. Smith's class, we have Macy Lee, Mia Montenegro, Donna Newland, and Rhett Springerhead that know 14 or more upper and lowercase letters.
In Mrs. Greenegger's class, we have Rosalie Gutierrez, Owen Fisher, and Zoe Thomason, and they know at least 14 upper and lowercase letters. In Mrs. Stafford's class, we have Kyla Gracie, Emery Shed, Chloe Oswalt, and Chandler Todd. These friends all know 14 or more upper and lowercase letters.
Let's give it a cheer. And everybody's gonna clap and cheer. Woo! Are you ready? All right, who can be a letter master? Everybody can be a letter master, okay? Thank you so much. What fun we had this morning. I want you to look at your teacher. Maybe we need one more deep breath. Ready? Here we go. There we go. It always makes me feel better when we get excited. Okay, so families, if you'll stay, teachers are going to try to dismiss you all first in this little picture, so maybe it won't be as contested as it's been. Alrighty, everybody look at your teacher. Have a happy Friday. Look at your teacher. Say it.